A very good afternoon to all of you and welcome back to our channel The Teacher, and in this tutorial I will talk about how to get more views for your latest or recent uploaded video using end screen. That is just a trick. See if you can apply that on your channel, and let's get started. And here you can see the analytics of my channel, where I have uploaded 594 total videos which got 21.3 million total views, lifetime views. And in last 30 days I have uploaded 3 videos. So that analytics is very much important to know if you should apply this trick on your channel or not. So let's get into the depth, and here I am going to open the YouTube Studio analytics for my channel. And here on the dashboard you can see the latest video performance, and that was on Tele ERP9 and accounting software. And this video is ranking on number 9 within from my last recent 10 uploaded videos. That is on number 9 according to views that it got in 9 days 2 hours. So that is the performance report of my last 10 uploaded videos for 9 days 2 hours. In 9 days 2 hours, the how to make animation in PowerPoint video got 1.9k views, whereas this video got only 534 views. So that was a little bit of the interest of my viewers, because they mostly like the animation video that I upload on my channel for PowerPoint. So let's see more details about this video, and for that I go to the video analytics, and here you can see more information about this video. The interesting thing about this experiment is this, that you can see the real-time activity of this video is 57 views in the last 48 hours. So in these 57 views, you can see that the most percentage of is end screen. 56.1% views within from 57 total views is from end screen. And why is that so? That is what this video is all about. So according to my knowledge, this trick could be very useful for you if you have a large subscriber base and you have applied end screen on most of your videos. So let's move on, and let me show you the end screen report of my entire channel. And for that I go to the analytics, and here I click on reach, and under reach you can see the last 28 days report of my channel. 7.6 million total impressions, from which I got 600k views, and that is a click-through rate of 3.8%, and 412k viewers were uniques on my channel. They never visited before. And if you see the traffic source type, and let me click on see more, then here you can see further information about the traffic source from where you are getting the views. And in these traffic sources, the important one is this, for this tutorial basically, end screen. From the end screen in last 28 days I got 4,817 views. So that is very much interesting for your latest or recent upload videos. And if I explore this report more, then you can see the top 50 videos that are getting most of views from the end screen. So if I click on the more, and here I choose end screen element type. So here we basically have 6 different types of end screen element types that I have applied on all of my 593 videos. And here the most interesting one is this most recent upload. It got 20,368 total impression, from which it got 346 views in last 28 days. As I told you before that you should only apply this trick after seeing the end screen report. So as you can see that in last 28 days I got 346 views from the end screen most recent element, end screen element. So if I change the report to last year 2019, so here you can see a big picture. So last year I got 2,601 view from the end screen element type most recent upload. So to explain you this more, let me edit one of my video so you can understand the concept here. So let's say I edit this video, Natraj neon animation, and here I scroll down and click on the end screen. So you can see that I have applied 2 video end screen element types here on this video. So if I click this one, then you can see that this is how to make animation in PowerPoint using vector files, and you can change it to most recent upload, or you can delete this element and then add a new one, click add element and then click video, and here choose most recent upload. So what you have to do, you have to change the end screen element type of your top 50 videos to one of these element most recent upload. So let me describe you that more. Let me go back, and here I open the analytics report again, and this time I go to the engagement, and here under engagement, if you scroll down, then you can see here top videos by end screen. And if I see the report of these video, and if I scroll down, then you can see that which video is getting more of the views from the end screen that it shows in the end of the video. So here you can see a list of your top 50 videos which are getting most of the views through the end screen element types. So here we have on number 1, easy method of creating animated scene in PowerPoint. It got 51,000 views in last 28 days, and that time the end screen of this video is shown 36,000 times, out of which 1200 people click on the end screen. And if you click explore the details of this video, and here if you click on see more, and here you can add more end screen element type. So on this video I have applied the two types of end screen elements. One is video and another one is most recent upload. And this most recent upload end screen element type I have applied 2 days back, and I got 680 impressions from this and 3 clicks. So basically we are going to edit all those top 50 videos by end screen, and we will add most recent upload end screen element type to all of these videos. So as you can see that I have shown you before that if I click on the more and here I choose end screen element type, then you can see that which element type is getting most of the view, and that is video, because previously I have applied particular videos in the end screen. But now if I want to get more views for my latest uploaded video, then I can at least add a end screen element type of most recent upload to top 50 videos which are getting most of the views. So as you can see that 2 days back I have changed the end screen element type of my top 50 videos to most recent upload. I added one element at least of most recent upload to my top 50 trending videos, and I got 346 views. You can say that I got these 346 views within 4 or 5 days only. That is not the report of 28 days, because I just ran this experiment 2 days back. So you can see that it could be really beneficial. So let me show you how you can quickly add your top 50 videos by end screen. So if I see the report of this video, and if you scroll down and hover over any of these videos, and here you can hold down the control key before clicking on this analytics link, and that way it will open in a new tab, and here you can go to the details, scroll down and then click on end screen. So here you can see that I have already applied 4 end screen element types on this, and 3 of them are same video and 1 of them is most recent upload. You can change any of these elements or can add or delete elements by selecting one of them, and if you want to delete it, then you can click on this button, and if you want to add an element, then click element, and here you can choose the element type. Let's say I choose video, and here I can choose best for viewers. Or you can, let me delete this one. Let's say I want to add most recent upload. What I can do, I can click on element type and then choose video, and here select most recent upload. So that way on your top trending videos, your most recent upload will be shown in the end. So that way you can add the most recent upload end screen element type to your top 50 trending videos. So that way this most recent upload will be shown in the end of those videos, and chances are you will get most of the views through the end screen. So I did this experiment 2 or 3 days back, and let me show you analytics one of the video, most recent upload video, and that is the Tele ERP 9 tutorial. And if I show you the analytics of this video, then you can see a new thing here. So if I scroll down, then you can see that after changing the end screen element type to most recent upload for most of my top 50 trending videos, you can see here that now this video is being shown in the end screen of those top 50 trending videos, and that way it is getting most of the views in last 48 hours through the end screens. So I hope you will like this tutorial. Let me know by liking, sharing and commenting on this video, and do subscribe to our channel for more upcoming tutorial videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.